Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cabbage and corned beef. First, unwrap your corned beef and rinse it thoroughly under cold water, removing any excess salt. Place the rinsed corned beef in a large pot or Dutch oven, ensuring the fat side faces upwards. Add enough water to completely cover the meat, typically about 8 to 10 cups. Now, incorporate the seasoning packet that often comes with the beef, or use 2 teaspoons of your favorite pickling spice. This simple start ensures a flavorful foundation. Bring the water to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot tightly with a lid. Allow the corned beef to cook slowly for approximately 2.5 to 3 hours, or until it is fork tender. During the last hour of cooking, you can add a few quartered carrots and 2 celery stalks, cut into 1-inch pieces. These vegetables will infuse additional savory flavors into the broth and meat. With about 30 minutes left in the corned beef cooking time, prepare your cabbage. Take 1 medium-sized head of green cabbage, remove any outer bruised leaves, and cut it into 4 to 6 wedges. Do not remove the core, as it helps hold the wedges together. Gently add the cabbage wedges to the pot with the corned beef and other vegetables. Ensure they are submerged in the flavorful liquid. Continue simmering for another 20 to 30 minutes, or until the cabbage is tender. Once everything is cooked, carefully remove the corned beef from the pot and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 15 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring maximum tenderness. Slice the corned beef against the grain, then serve it alongside the cooked cabbage and other vegetables for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.